I'm going to show you how to fix Parsec Error 6023, or Parsec basically cannot establish a proper connection between the client and the host. And the first thing you'll need to do is to make sure that you're not running any VPNs on your system. And you can click on the settings or the window from here and then click on VPN. And make sure to turn off the VPN settings and remove and disconnect any active VPN connection from here. And the next thing you'll need to do is right click on the start button, open up the settings and search for firewall. Click on firewall and network protection. And from here, try to disable all of these domains temporarily to see if that solves the problem. Can go to them individually one by one: the domain network, private network, and the public network. And by disabling them, you've disabled the firewall, which is causing this or the issue initially. And the last thing you can do is right click on the start button and then open up terminal or CMD as admin and type the following command: ipconfig /flush DNS and press enter. And then you want to type the next command as well: netsh winsock reset and press enter. And this should reset the network. Now you can try to connect to the remote or the host computer and see if that solves the problem. And if it still doesn't, what you can do is open up the start menu and then search for reset network or network reset and press the first result, and then click on reset now. And this will reset your network adapter and will also restart your computer. And once your computer is restarted, you can open up Parsec as admin. So you can basically search for Parsec and right click on it and run as admin. And then you can try to connect to the host or the client, and that should solve the problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.